In the heart of India, life is changing. There are better roads, wider highways, and new railway lines, linking distant villages, connecting remote corners, uniting rural with urban India. The entire spectrum of infrastructure is improving, catalyzing business, transport, and trade, bringing more opportunities, fresh markets, and newer customers. In such challenging times, Bose International GmbH of Germany made its first foray into India in the late 80s, making India stronger. It actively supported the Infrastructure Development Program of India. The company introduced relevant support technologies to key Indian industries. From this involvement was born Bose International Projects Private Limited in Kolkata, Bengal in January 1998. It has selected and procured several cutting-edge technologies that would benefit the country's development program. Bose International Projects was instrumental in pioneering Trenchless technology into the Indian market in the 1990s. The company secured the first government contract for laying telecom cables for Calcutta telephones in 1997 utilizing Trenchless technology. It successfully executed a 40-kilometer stretch in time and within the budget. Bose International Projects is now introducing a revolution in the industrial cleaning sector with zero chemical. Now economy, environment and protection is made available in a neat and clean package to the Indian industrial cleaning sector. The process developed appliances utilizing dry CO2 blasting that operates on an entirely environmental compatible basis. Dry ice blasting uses small dry ice pellets as the blasting meter coating. When dry ice pellets strike a surface at the speed of sound, any coating on the surface is cracked and loosened. The low temperature of dry ice pellets makes the coating brittle, cracking and loosening it as a result of the reduced bonding between the coating and the underlying surface. This allows dry ice to permeate the coating. Dry ice penetrates the coating and immediately transforms directly from solid to vapor state. This results in a 700-fold increase in volume, an explosive effect that lifts the coating of the surface. A machine can often be cleaned by dry ice blasting while in operation, eliminating the need for dismantling and subsequent reassembly. Costs connected to the disposal of hazardous chemicals or solvents are saved because dry ice vaporizes on contact with the surface being treated. Dry ice blasting can often reduce cleaning and maintenance payroll costs for a fraction of current levels because the process is more effective and faster than traditional cleaning methods. Dry ice blasting is non-abrasive with less wear and tear from the use of steel brushes, scrapers, etc. Dry ice blasting systems have extremely high cleaning speeds, and even normally inaccessible parts can be rapidly cleaned using the wide range of nozzles available. Blasting material residues do not become trapped, and no detergents or blasting materials are left on the surface. Dry ice blasting is not electrically conductive, so it can be used where other methods are unsuitable. Example, electric motors and equipment with electric, pneumatic and hydraulic components can be cleaned. Dry ice is completely non-toxic as no hazardous chemicals or solvents are used in dry ice blasting. Operators avoid being exposed to hazardous fumes, and unlike pressure washers, there is no drainage of polluted water. The quantity of waste material is minimized because the blasting material vaporizes. Bose International Projects Private Limited has a sharp and slim structure, employing highly qualified engineers, skilled operators, and able administrative personnel. The organization is a customer-oriented company giving the best solutions to customers' needs in the most economical manner. The company is fully equipped to adopt any complex technology in a relatively short time in Indian conditions.